there are many reasons why we struggle with Paul today. There's all sorts of things that make Paul hard to understand for us. But one of the really important ones is that Paul thinks corporately, and we almost exclusively think individually. A kind of really interesting example of this is that when Paul uses the pronoun you, the vast majority of the time he uses it in a plural way, not a singular way. But we hear it as a singular. So Paul says you and means lots of people, and we hear it as me. And this becomes really quite important when we're thinking about bodies, because fascinatingly within Paul moves seamlessly between the individual body and the corporate body, my body and the body of Christ. And until we can recognise that for Paul, who I am and my identity and my relationships actually affect other people, you can't really get a handle on what Paul is talking about. So right at the heart of Paul's view of the body and the importance of the body is that we are not individual islands to ourselves. We are people in profound relationship with each other and with God. And therefore what I do with my body affects my identity, but it also affects other people's identity. It affects who I am, but it also affects the body of Christ. And until we start taking very seriously that how I live affects other people, then we won't really get a kind of deep understanding of what's going on in Paul.